Hey everybody, welcome back to O'Shea Woodworks. Today's video is going to be me unboxing a laser engraver I just got in the mail. Ordered it off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Hopefully I'll be able to get it all out of the box and put together and functioning tonight. So follow along with that and we'll see how that goes. Here we have a box inside a box. Got our user manual here. We'll get into that later. It's pretty well packaged. So from here we got a stylus, USB, and USB cable. Our glasses, protective glasses here, so lasers aren't really good for the eyes, so these will keep me seeing for many years to come. Just reading this says, if I have any problems, just contact them. They're gonna give me their best service. Don't return it to Amazon first. If so, Amazon will destroy it and that will be a big waste. So I'll test on that on these two cards here. So these are all my parts here. First I'm going to take, looks like this. Fits in there quite nicely. It seems pretty straightforward to put together so far, which is right up my alley. And even came with an extra screw. I'm going to put my feet on here. See if I can get these little screws in here. So these little suckers are kind of hard to get in there. The tool they sent with this is not magnetic, so it's kind of a pain in the butt. There we are. It's all put together. Just need to plug it in. I'll read some more instructions first. after 3.5 hours, this is what I came up with here. It's just my logo. I started the first, kind of the graphic part here, pretty deep. That took a long time. That was about 3 hours. That was at 75% cutting depth for this laser and 100% laser power. Then I got a little impatient because it's about midnight. Changed it to a 15% cutting depth and 75% power. So it's just not quite as deep on the lettering. This is just a test, so that's okay. Not sure if you can tell the depth from the video at all. That might help a little bit there, but it turned out really, really well. So far I'm pretty pleased with how this laser is working, and I'm sure you'll see it in many more projects to come. Thanks for watching O'Shea Woodworks, and I'll see you next time.